Hey guys, this video is brought to you by viewers like you and people that support our website codingphase.com. Go check it out. Over 20 courses in there that's gonna guide you to become a developer from the beginning to becoming a pro. Listen, man. So what we were saying before, for those of you guys that missed it, most of you guys didn't even get to hear anything. So
Yeah.
basically, the dreaded death was telling me that he's from Florida. He basically came in. He has about a year in this field. How long did it take you to become a developer?
I would say like I learned how to code, and I mean that loosely. Like when I say I learned how to code, I mean that loosely. 2 months, and I would say by my third month I had a job already. So like I literally applied everywhere on Indeed, even the jobs that were like you need 10 years of experience. Like I took I had like 700 jobs in like 2-3 days, and like even some of those jobs were calling me back, like the ones that like, yo, you have 5 years of experience. I was like, nope, but like, can you interview me anyway so I can like write down some notes for the next one? So I was bombing interviews on purpose for the sake of having the experience to go to the next one. You know what I mean? I was taking notes the whole time, man, and that helped a lot.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, no, that's something that I tell people all the time. Is like when you want a job, you have to actually go in there and actually just say, "Hey, I'm gonna apply to every single job that's out there. I'm not
Oh
gonna be
yeah,
scared." You know, it's like you can't be scared. You cannot be over here like, "Oh my God, I'm gonna be bougie. I'm just gonna apply to the big companies." It's like, nah, you apply to everything, man. You know what I mean?
everything. My first job was like a small agency. Like I'm talking about like if you had a map, you couldn't even see them in it. And I mean, obviously they weren't in business, right? They weren't anything big. They were in business for
Mhm.
like years before I even applied. So yeah, man. And you know what? I took it, man, because you know what? Sure, I could have waited an extra week or so to get like the job I really wanted, but man, like I said, I didn't have. I was homeless. I needed money ASAP, so I took that motherfucking job, and we here,
Yeah.
bro.
Yeah, man. That's what I was telling people too. Is like, man, look, my first job, I was getting like $13 an hour, bro. Like, and that was because
Yeah,
I went in there. I was like, yo, and it wasn't even like no agency. It wasn't like no web development. It was like straight up a company that needed somebody that know a little bit of HTML, CSS to edit products. That's it, right? But
nothing fancy, bro.
nothing
Nothing fancy.
fancy, but it was just like, hey, it's the first time going in there. I'm self-taught. Yeah, I had a little degree from administrative systems and shit like that, but it wasn't programming. It wasn't like computer science. I didn't have no background in it, right? So
Right.
they came in. They basically took me in, and literally in 3 months, I said peace, and I was out. You know what I mean? Like, yeah, because it's
Damn,
like
Joe. You a savage, bro.
sometimes you take these jobs and you think it's like you're gonna be there forever. It's like, nah, man, you a developer, man. You a rock star out here. You know what I mean? Like people
Yeah.
want you. You got the skills.
Yeah.
People want you. You know what I
Like
mean?
right now, like I keep getting recruited from like other places and stuff, and like the job I'm at now, they found me through LinkedIn. So like they gave me a chance, man. So like it's one of those things where I have loyalty to them. Bro, but I have jobs that are like are willing to pay like relocation fees and all this shit. And I was like, oh man, what do I do? They're offering like 10, 15,000 more a year. Like
Yeah.
ridiculous. But you know what? As developers, like I don't think I've known anybody that's been in a job for like 2-3 years. We usually like bounce around from job to job, and I know that sounds weird, but it's a good thing in our case. You know what I mean? Because
Mm-hmm.
we learn more, and it's usually you get more money,
Mm-hmm.
which is always good. So
Yeah. Every time that you jump to a new company, companies want you because the more that you know, the less that they gotta train you, the less that they gotta,
exactly.
be on top of you. They just say, okay, we need an extra hand, and that extra hand is here. He knows what to do. He knows what his job is. We give him a task, and he can build it. When you're a
Yep.
junior developer and you just start at the beginning, you can't really ask for too much because you know damn well you need somebody to guide you. You need somebody that's gonna
Yeah.
be the head of the, of the development team. If you're not at
Yep.
that level, you can't go in there and be like, yo, everybody, give me 120,000. If now I ain't working here, you can't go in there
Yeah.
like
No, you can't go out there
that.
showing your balls like that, like so quickly. And they're
Yeah,
gonna tell you walk away, and they're gonna hire somebody else cheaper than you too. That's gonna be
exactly,
in there, man. Like you can't do that.
exactly. Some dude that's just like is like, man, listen, it's a blessing to be here. So as soon as that dude comes in, your job is gone. You know what I
You're
mean?
gone, yeah,
You
bro.
go-
And it sucks that it's like that, but it's the truth, bro. That's how the world works.
Yeah, exactly, man. And it's crazy.